Is the car at fault?
The car is not actually a fault. The last time we brought the car to the garage, so I just want him to check some certain things on the car. That's all. Please, we are going to go right now. Don't worry.
Okay.
Where is him? I'm even trying to call him. Hold on. Hello? Yeah, please. I'm actually outside the garage. I've been waiting for you like some minutes now. Why? Okay, I'm waiting for you. Bye. Babe, can you please hold up? I'm coming.
Okay.
Hold up. Just a few minutes, please.